In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop in Adobe Express. First, open Adobe Express and start creating a new project. If you want to import an image, click on the Add option on the left side of your screen. From here, select Upload and import an image from your device. Alternatively, you can choose a stock image from the Adobe Express library. Once you have your image, drag and drop it onto your canvas and adjust it as needed. To crop the image, double-click on it. A set of crop options will appear on the left side of your screen. You can choose from different preset shapes such as a square or other aspect ratios. As you select an option, you will see how the cropped version will look directly on the canvas. If you want more creative cropping options, scroll down to see a variety of shapes that you can apply to your image. Simply select the shape you prefer, and your image will be cropped accordingly. Once you're happy with the crop, click anywhere outside the image to confirm the changes. If you want to crop out the main object from the background, select the image by clicking on it once. On the left side of your screen, you will see the Remove Background option. Click on it, and Adobe Express will automatically crop out the main subject, removing the background. The process for cropping videos in Adobe Express is similar to cropping images, and this is how you can crop in Adobe Express.